Create post cap plate connection. Select this post, then go to the properties. I just increase this level, slightly increased like this. Then I go to the steel, select here beam, then make it here plate or cap plate, then just make it here PL 350 into 20. Material everything keep as it is. I select this class, make it this one plate. We don't want any assembly, just delete that one. Other all the thing keep as it is. Then click the first point, then click the next point. Here it is created plate. Press escape key, select this one, here it is plate. Then just make it here 90, enter. Then make it this one left, then enter. Left is going inside, make it right, then enter. Here it is coming inside. Now you can make this one middle, then enter. Why I given middle means, if you go to the plan view, you can see that one. Now double click here, I just make it here 100, here also make it 100, then apply and click OK. Then go to the view, select here new view using 2 points. Now I click the first point, then click the next point, here it is created. Now if you go to the grid A, you can see here this is our location. Once you create any view, you will get it this mark for the location. Press escape key, it will gone. Now you can see this is the location. Now we need to create bolt. For that, go to the steel, select here bolt, then go to here, make it standard M20, everything keep as it is. Now click the first part, click the next part, press the mouse center button. Now I just click any location. Now I just place it like this. Then double click this bolt. I just go to here, change this rotation 90 degree. Here it is changed. Then I just make it this X direction 200. Then give you a space 100. Give you a space 100. Give a space. Give a space. Then 200. Then simply enter. You can see here bolt is placed like this. Now I just go to make it here, it is 150, then enter. Now I just go to the view list, select here grid A, then select this plate, then just go here, make it minus 100, make it here 100, then enter. So you will get it like this extension. Then select this bolt, right click, move, click this location and place it like this 50, enter. So now this connection is finished. Next, go to edit, select here fit part end, select this line, click this location, click here, here it is fit this part. Next, go to steel, select here weld, click this post, click this plate, here it is created this connection. Now if you go to the inquire and select this assembly object, now this one is completely one assembly. If you need this same connection here, select this full set, then go to view, select here work plane parallel to view plane. Now I just click here, it is placed, then right click, copy special, mirror, click this location, or you can click this any grid center also, grid midpoint, you can click like this and click here, then go to copy, expand, you will get the connection here. So both the place we created this post cap plate connection.